Hello guys, welcome to Smart Horizon. In this video, we will learn how to use a clipboard and what are its limitations. We have these items on a slide here. These are the 5 objects that I have on a slide. If I want to copy an item or an object, I'll first select it, go to copy, or I can select the object and press Ctrl C. Here I have copied 3 objects, but when I paste, the last object gets pasted here. But what if I want to paste the first copied object here? For that, we have clipboard here. This is our clipboard. Now if I copy different objects, we can see different objects here copied. The limitation of a clipboard is 24. I can copy up to 24 items in the clipboard. You can check that out by copying an object, and if I copy this object, 5 of 24 clipboard item collected. It's written here. That means I have 5 objects or items in the clipboard copied out of 24. Now if I want this star to get pasted here, so I'll select this star here, and I can see if I want this cross sign, I click on it and get pasted. If I want this triangle, so you can add up to 24 objects or items in the clipboard. If you paste the 25th item, the first item copied gets deleted or gets replaced by the 25th item. We only have one clipboard for all the MS Office softwares. Like if I open the Word document here, I have this clipboard here. I can even copy this text. You can see it here. If I go to Excel and want to copy these things, I have the clipboard and I can copy that too. When I again go to PowerPoint, you can see this is the Excel sign, this is the MS Word sign, and these are the signs of PowerPoint. So if I want this to get pasted on this slide, I'll click on it and it is here. One item can be thousands of records or thousands of pages or thousand pages of text in a Word document. So there is no size limitation for copying things. Now you have the idea what clipboard is and how it works. This is it for this session. We will continue in the next. Thank you. If you like my video, kindly press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new content. Thank you for watching.